In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 quick tips in formatting your text here in Google Slides. So let's go ahead and start with our first quick tip, which would be to find a unique font style for your text. So here's my sample text right here. If you want to put your simple text into a different font style or unique font style, all you have to do is to go to the font tool right here in the toolbar, and you'll see the different type of fonts that you can choose for your text. Now, if for some reason the text or the font style that you want to use is not right here in the choices, what you can do is to go to more fonts at the top, and here you have the different type of fonts that you can choose from or that you can add into your fonts. So you have your filter right here, all scripts are selected, all fonts are shown, and these are shown by popularity. Now you have the different options to choose from depending on what you're trying to search for. You can use the filter functions at the top right here. Once you found the font style that you want to add into your fonts, just click on it. You can choose more than one. That's totally up to you. If the one that you like, again, is not seen in your selection, just click on it and it will automatically be added to your fonts on the right side. Once you're done, just click on OK and go back to the font tool at the top. And here you will see all those recently added font styles. Now these are all alphabetically arranged. Once you've found the one that you just added and found, just click on it and it will automatically be applied to your text. And there you have it. So that's how to find a unique font style for your text. Our next quick tip would be to add a drop shadow. So you can definitely add a drop shadow into your text to make them stand out. All you have to do is to select that text, go to More right here, and go to Format Options. On the right side, you have those different options, and we're just going to go ahead and select Drop Shadow. Once you click on that, it will automatically add that shadow right there. And if you want to adjust the settings, you can do so. Increase the opacity, change the angle, increase the distance, and increase the blur radius. If you're not a fan of the color of your shadow, then you can definitely change it right here. Select a different color of your choice, and there you have it. For our next quick tip, you can highlight your text with color. So if you're not yet familiar with the highlight color here in Google Slides, you can actually do it with your text. Let's say you just want to highlight one of the words inside your text box. Just select that, then go to the highlight color tool here in the toolbar. If you click on it, then you have the color palette, different colors that you can choose from to highlight your text. Now again, in selecting your color, make sure it's in contrast to the color of your actual text. So if I select this color right here, there we have it. That is what it's going to look like. If I change my text color into white, that would really make it stand out. And there you have it. Our next quick tip would be to curve your text. Now you can do this with your text box or with your word art, but I'm going to do it with our word art instead. It's much easier. So I'm going to go to Insert here in the toolbar, select word art right here, and type in my first letter. What we're going to do is to actually do this letter by letter. So that's the first one. I'm just going to copy that, paste it, double click on it to make it easier for me to insert and just edit it. Paste it again. There we go. Double click on that, type in your letter, and the last one would be the same letter right there. And there you have it. Now what I'm going to do is to create a circle that will be my guide in creating this curved text. So I'm just going to resize that like so. There we have it. And then we are going to reposition this text around our shape. And around that shape is we're going to rotate each of our letters to somewhat align to the curve of our circle to create that curved effect. There you have it. So you're going to rotate each letter either to the left or to the right, depending on their position. There we have it. Now I can just delete that, reposition this, select a different font style. There we go. And there you have it. we've successfully curved our text with that simple hack. And our last quick tip would be to place an image inside your text. Now you can do this with both the text box or the word art. Again, I'm just going to recreate this with a word art, which is much easier. Let's go back to Insert, select word art, put in our text as a whole. There we have it. Now we're going to be using a special text called Slab Highlight, which would allow you to have some image inside your text. So let's go ahead and select that in the font tool right here, and you'll see Slab Highlight over here. Again, if you can't find this specific font, just go to More Fonts, just type in Slab, and you'll find it right there. So select that, put our text in bold. There we have it. Now, before we do anything else, I'm just going to select an image that I'm going to put behind my text or inside my text. Go back to Insert, select Image, and search the web. So this is the image I want to put behind or inside my text. Click on Insert. I'm just going to resize this and reposition it. There we go. What I'm going to do is align it just right before the edge of my word art so that it doesn't go beyond that makeshift text box right there. There we go. Now I'm going to click on that image, right click on it, and select Order, and I'm going to send it to back. And there you have it. You already see that it's behind our text, or it would seem to be inside our text. Our last step would be to just format our word art, make our border color transparent, and our fill color to white. And there you have it. So those were 5 quick tips in formatting your text here in Google Slides. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.